Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the subtitle style on Veed. So once you're, let's say, generating subtitles for your videos and the subtitle is, let's say, generated, guys, you can easily go ahead and change the style here. So here it's basically showing the default text and the default text, but to change the style of the subtitle, just click on the style option here. So by default it's going to go on edit, so you can edit the text, but you can also click on the style option here and it's going to take you here. So here you can see, here you'll be able to see the different text style here that you can choose from. So if you want, for example, this option here, you can simply click on it, and once you click on it, you can even click on the option that says edit, and that's going to allow you to change a lot more. So you can go ahead and you can change the size if you wanted to make it, to make the outline larger. You can change the size of the text here if you want to make it much larger as well. You can change even the font if you want to make the font different but keep the same style. You can do quite a lot here, so just go through it and find whatever you want to do. So whichever style that you like, you can go into those styles and edit it and just make more modification as you wish. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and change the font style for your subtitles on Veed. Very easy and very simple, guys.